Hello everyone, welcome to Engineering and Economy. I'm Dr. Nathan. Today we are going to learn about probability. So this will be a series of lectures. We will have maybe 100 over lectures videos. First 20 videos, probably first 20 videos will be useful for school students, maybe O level students. Then the next 20 videos will be used, 20 or 30 40 videos will be used for the A level students, and then further will be useful for the university students. So as I said earlier, this probability is useful for everyone from O level students to A level students to the university students, and also in the working place, whoever doing research and whoever dealing with the banks and share market business or any other business sector. So it is a very useful tool for anybody to do their daily tasks and business activities. So let's start this probability lesson 1. So the probability is the likelihood of occurrence of uh, is a likelihood of occurrence of an event. So this is called probability. So probability event A is usually written as P of A. So if you define a event name is A, let's say this is an event of A, we call the probability of event of A is P in bracket A. The probability are always numbered between 0 and 1 inclusive. So always we have the probability value between 0 to 1. So probability can be divided into two types. One is experimental probability and another one theoretical probability. We will go in deeper in next videos what is meant by experimental probability and what is meant by theoretical probability. So this is the probability line. This is very basic for anyone to study the probability. So if you look at here, this is impossible. Here is impossible. 0 means it's impossible. Here is impossible event. Here is a certain it's going to happen. If a particular event, it's definitely going to happen. This will be the certain event, and this is a half way, like 50 percentage chances are as likely as it is not. So this is a probability line. So we usually say in school days, we say the example like tomorrow will be Tuesday. This will be the certain. It's definitely tomorrow will be Tuesday. An impossible event like in a week we have 8 days in a week. That's going to be impossible. So these are usually we say the probability of impossibility and probability of certain events, and we usually take the theoretical probability for these kind of examples. Okay, to tell easily theoretical probability, we can easily tell the example whether the if you throw the stone, it goes upward. This is impossible. It never goes upward. It will come back. So we say that that is zero probability. The stone will go upward. Okay. So these probability numbers we can even we can tell in a digital form like decimal 0 0.5. In the decimal, this is 1.0 is a certain event, 0 here, and we can tell in the percentage, 0 percentage and 50 percentage and 100 percentage. If it is a certain event, it's 100 percentage. So this area is likely. So this area is likely, it's going to happen. It's this area is unlikely. So if it is less than half, less than 50 percentage, this area, it's like telling about it not is it is not going to happen. Here it is telling about it is going to happen. So we can probability how is measure of how likely event is event or outcome is. So different even have different probabilities. So we can describe the probability of an event with the following terms. Certain, certain mean the event is definitely going to happen, and likely mean event will probably happen, but not definitely. Not definitely. Unlikely mean the probable event will probably not happen. This is not happen, but it might. So that is unlikely. Impossible means the event is definitely not going to happen. Definitely not going to happen. So that is impossible. Certain means definitely it's going to happen. Definitely it's going to happen. Impossible, definitely it's not going to happen. And the likely and unlikely is in between those. Okay. That's all for today. Thank you very much. Please subscribe this channel and continue your support.